Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using this laptop. First, open the Start menu, then open All Applications by clicking this icon right here. Now search for the camera, open it. You might also have to let this application access your phone, camera, and so on. And right now we'll have to switch by tapping on this arrow icon twice. We'll have to switch to the scan mode, and before we can use our camera we have to open it because it's shut for me. And once we open the camera, we can grab the QR code on the card, on the phone, or wherever you have it, and face it to the camera of our laptop. And as you can see, here is the link that's been scanned from the QR code. We can open it and get transferred to the LENOVO.Info website. And so that's how QR scanning works on your laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.